Good morning, children. Welcome to your English class. Today we shall start with a literature book, that is Iris English course book. The first lesson is a poem. The name of the poem is I'd Love to Be a Fairy's Child. It is written by Robert Graves. The name of the poet is Robert Graves. So first of all, I'll recite the poem for you. All of you listen carefully. Children born of fairy stock never need for shirt or frock, never want for food or fire, always get their heart's desire. Jingle pockets full of gold, marry when they are 7 years old. Every fairy child may keep 2 strong ponies and 10 sheep. All have houses each his own, built of brick or granite stone. They live on cherries, they run wild. I'd love to be a fairy's child. Now you can listen to it again and again in the video and learn it by heart. So, okay children, now I will explain the poem to you and you also mark the new words side by side as I'll tell you. So in this poem, the poet expresses his wish, his desire to be like a fairy's child. He wants to be born as a fairy's child. As according to him, the fairy's children are very lucky as their every wish is fulfilled. They don't have to worry about anything in their life. So now I'll explain to you. So just start reading the poem and mark the words also. The first line, I'll start from the first line. Children born of fairy stock. Underline the word children. Born, fairy, and stock. In this line, the meaning of stock is belonging to a family. So the poet is saying children belonging to fairy's family. Never need for shirt or frock. Underline the word need, shirt, and frock. Underline all these words. Never want for food or fire. Underline the word food and fire. So here the poet is saying that the children of fairies, they don't have to worry about their clothes and they don't also have to worry about their food or fire because they get everything before they wish for. Always get their heart's desire. Here underline the word heart and desire. The meaning of desire is strong wish. When you wish for something, that is called your desire. So they always get their heart's desire, means whatever they wish for, their wish is fulfilled in no time. Jingle pockets full of gold, marry when they are 7 years old. Underline the word jingle, pockets, and gold. This means that fairies' children have gold in their pockets and that gold makes a jingling sound. Jingle means a light ringing sound made by metal objects when they are shaken. Means when the children move here and there is gold in their pockets which makes a jingle sound. We can hear the jingle sound from their pockets. Marry when they are 7 years old. Underline the word marry. 7 years and old. So the fairies' children are married when they are 7 years old. They get married. Every fairy child may keep 2 strong ponies and 10 sheep. Underline the word strong, S-T-R-O-N-G, strong, and ponies, P-O-N-I-E-S. So the fairy children, every child of the fairy, they are capable of keeping 2 strong ponies and 10 sheep. They can keep 10 sheep with them and 2 strong ponies. Okay. Okay. So the meaning of ponies is type of small horses. These fairy children, they ride on these horses. You can see in the picture also in the book. There are many sheep and horses on the which the children are riding. These are known as ponies. All have houses, each his own, built of brick or granite stone. Underline the word houses, 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 OWN, own. This means that all the children, they have their own houses, built of brick or granite stone. Underline the word built, 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 brick, 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 and granite, 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 and stone, STONE. Underline all these words. So their houses are made of bricks or granite stone. Granite is a kind of black stone which is used to build houses. They live on cherries, they run wild. I'd love to be a fairy's child. Underline the word live, LIVE, live. Cherries, 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 and wild, WILD, wild. So these children, fairies children, they love to eat cherries. You can see the picture also. There are cherries are there on the bushes. This is a kind of fruit which they like to eat, and they enjoy their life. Run wild means they enjoy every day of their life. I'd love to be a fairy's child. So in the end, the poet is again, he is saying he will always be to be born as a fairy's child.